Still expecting this system to be a Category 4 hurricane, even as it passes through Guantanamo Bay into this afternoon, tonight, and Wednesday morning. It starts to make that trek towards the Bahamas. Right now, the current forecast track has it as a Category 3 hurricane as it passes through Nassau and Freeport. This also is expected to impact areas of the mid-Atlantic coast by the weekend, mainly Friday night into Saturday morning based upon the current speed. Now, every time the hurricane hunters go into the storm, they get a more detailed and more updated forecast. So that's why we want to encourage you to keep checking back on this forecast as well. But I wanted to show you why I think this system is not going to be an issue for us. We have high pressure and control, a very stable environment, passing clouds this afternoon, and we track Matthew. So by Wednesday morning, we expect to see Matthew and all the rain and all the wind going over the Bahamas and encountering a stalled out boundary that's been parked over Florida for several days. This is Thursday morning. Notice all that moisture mainly impacting areas of south and eastern Florida as it tracks towards the Carolina coast. We lie right in between this system. So as it starts to skirt the coastline, we have a cold front coming. This cold front is going to track eastward and continue to veer a lot of that moisture into the Atlantic, skirting the Carolina coast, but it will also nudge that system away from us. The Peach State will see a little bit of cloud cover, maybe even some gusty winds and potential for some rain, but Alabama, a little bit farther west, should be just fine. No rain for days for us. It's just too stable outside. We don't have any real well-organized weather features to bring us any rain, but October is traditionally pretty dry anyway. That cooler air is coming, and we'll continue to track what's happening with Hurricane Matthew. 88 degrees, the forecast high temperature for today, running about 10 degrees above our seasonal averages. We're going to continue with that trend until we get into Thursday. That's when the cloud cover increases. That front will approach as we move towards the weekend. We think it should be through the area by Sunday and on into your Monday. That's when the real cooler temperatures move back in.